A 909 transformer is a type of three-phase transformer that has three windings, with the primary winding rated at 9 kV, and two secondary windings rated at 9 kV each. The primary winding is connected to the utility power source, while the two secondary windings are connected to different loads. The primary and secondary windings are typically insulated from each other to prevent electrical leakage between them. The transformer typically contains a core made of laminated steel, and the windings are typically made of copper wire. The primary winding is connected to the utility power source through a set of high-voltage terminals, while the secondary windings are connected to the loads through a set of low-voltage terminals. The transformer can be used to step up or step down the voltage level as needed. A 909 transformer typically has the following characteristics. Power rating, 9 kV voltage rating. The primary winding is typically rated for the voltage level of the utility power source, while the secondary windings are typically rated for a lower voltage level. Frequency, the transformer is designed to operate at a specific frequency, typically 50 or 60 Hz. Insulation class. The transformer typically has an insulation class rating, such as B or F, which indicates the maximum temperature that the transformer's insulation can withstand without degrading. Impedance. The transformer typically has a specified impedance, usually given as a percentage of the rated voltage, that represents the resistance and reactance of the windings. Efficiency. The transformer typically has a specified efficiency rating, which is a measure of how much of the primary winding's power is transferred to the secondary windings. A 909 transformer has a variety of applications and uses, depending on the specific requirements of the electrical system it is used in. Some common applications and uses of a 909 transformer include voltage transformation. The transformer can be used to step up or step down the voltage level as needed. This is useful in situations where the voltage level from the utility power source does not match the voltage level required by the load. Power distribution. The transformer can be used to distribute power from the utility power source to multiple loads. This is commonly used in industrial and commercial applications where multiple machines or buildings need to be supplied with power. Isolation. The transformer can be used to isolate different parts of an electrical system from each other. This can be useful in situations where it is necessary to protect sensitive equipment from electrical noise or power fluctuations. Grounding. The transformer can be used to provide a neutral point for grounding purposes. This is useful in situations where the utility power source does not have a neutral point, or where the neutral point needs to be moved to a different location. Three-phase to single-phase conversion. The transformer can be used to convert three-phase power to single-phase power. This can be useful in situations where a single-phase load needs to be powered from a three-phase power source. It is worth mentioning that 909 transformer is a small-capacity transformer. It is not suitable for heavy industrial or high-power applications, but it can be used in small commercial, residential and industrial applications where the power requirement is less than 9 kV.